So right, in last video we discussed about the budget setup and the course cost. And so alright, let's jump into the exciting world of generative AI. So this is the part of AI that actually creates things, new text, new images, new audio, even new code and videos. It doesn't just analyze data, it builds something brand new from what it has learned. So this is the power behind tools like ChatGPT and modern AI image generators. And trust me, this is where the magic begins. So what is generative AI? So generative AI is a subset of deep learning used to generate data that is similar to the data it was trained on. So that can be trained on text, image, audio, code, or video. So generative AI works on something that we call foundational models, and so these are huge super intelligent models trained on massive datasets. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Amazon, Meta, they invest millions to train them. Some are open source, some are commercial, but all of them act as the core brain behind the AI systems that we use today. And here you can see there is OpenAI, there is Meta, Amazon, Google, Anthropic, and many more. Now, LLMs, large language models, are foundation models built specifically for text. They are trained on billions of parameters, which is why they can write, translate, summarize, answer questions, anything language related. So every time you chat with ChatGPT or Cloud, you are talking to one of these massive text processing powerhouses. So how does an LLM text so naturally? It's simple but also mind-blowing. It predicts the most likely next word and then the next and the next. So here you can see by an example that after the rain the streets were, the probability of wet is 40%, flooded is 25%, slippery is 15%, empty is 10%, muddy is 5%, clean is 3, and blocked is 2. So it would pick the most likely next word from the algorithm that it is being trained on, and it fetches the most likely next word from the model. Now wait, generative AI isn't just about text. It can create full images from a single prompt. If you say generate a blue sky with white clouds and a word hello, the AI literally builds that image pixel by pixel. This is the same tech powering DALL-E, Midjourney, and other creative tools. And it works the other way too. So AI can also read images, meaning it can extract text, identify objects, and understand what's inside a picture. This is incredibly useful for automation, OCR, and intelligent document processing. So as you can see in this example that this is the same image that we have used, the generate a blue sky with white clouds and the word hello written in the sky, and we have just reverted it to extract the letters from this image, and the response that we will get from the model is this image shows the greeting hello. So this was all about generative AI, and in next video, in next topic, you would be looking for Amazon Bedrock. We would see an overview first, and then we would jump on to the hands-on part. And yes, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.